everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I am going to unbox this little precious gift here that I got today from my husband. I needed new lighting in my art room is what I call it, where I do my YouTube videos. I needed more lighting, so I was searching online for new lights and I found one and asked my husband to buy it for me, and it's here. So today we're going to do an unboxing of my lighting, and I'm actually going to try to set up my lighting without any help from my husband whatsoever. So that's going to be a little fun thing that we do here today. I am not usually good at setting things up technically, so we'll see how this goes. And hopefully it goes okay. First, remember to, if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up so that I know what type of videos you guys like in the future to bring to you guys. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload more videos like this one. Also, don't forget to subscribe, because subscribing really helps. It really helps you guys. And it helps in supporting my channel and getting my videos in front of as many adult coloring YouTubers as possible. Also, I will link in the description box everything that I'm using here today and where I got the light from. I got it from Amazon, but I'll put a link description in the box. In the description box for that. Also, that's where you can find a link to my Facebook group, my Instagram, my TikTok, and my Twitter if you want to follow me over there. Plus, we're doing a lot of exciting things in my Facebook group, so you might want to join me over there. Okay, so let's get started and let's start unboxing. So I cut it open, and so I'm just going to take everything out and see what we have and try to put this together. We'll see. So we have a little bit of packet here, and it has everything that's in it, looks like, but no instructions, just everything that's in it. Okay, everything that's in the box. And we have this little bag, looks like. I guess if you want to put your light in a bag and take it with you. And it says Mount Dog on the top of it. So I guess that's a cute little bag. I guess if you wanted to put it in there and bring it along with you, you could. It zips up like that, and you just carry it with you. So that's cute. I'm going to put that up to the side. And then we have here looks like it's a lot of stuff in here. So let me just move this over here so I can get everything out. And I'm just going to put that to the side right now. And then we have two boxes in here. So I'm just going to take everything out first, and we'll see what's in it. A little package. And another box with some stuff in it. So let me just put this box to the side and see what's in this box. So it looks like it's a light bulb in this box. And oh, it's a huge light bulb. Wow. So it's one of those energy type saving lights that my husband loves, these type of lights. So I guess you get two of them because there's two boxes. Maybe if one goes out, you'll have another one. So I'll just put this to the side, and I'll put the light bulb to the side for now. And then we have, let's see what's in this box. We have I guess this is the tripod, what it goes on, it looks like. So I'll just take this out of the plastic. Yeah, that's what it looks like, the tripod, whatever the light goes on. So I'll just lay that down for now. And let's see what's in this little bag here. So let me take this out. And I'm guessing this is what goes on top of the tripod. So let's set up the tripod first and see how that works. So I'm guessing you just pull this out and stand it up. Yeah, so if you just pull this out and stand it up like this, okay. And tighten this part up so it can stay that way. Okay. Now, let me stand up so I can see how to do this other part. So I think this thing right here can be lifted. But for now, I'm just going to leave it the way it is. And I'm guessing this part comes off so you can put the other part on. And so you have this white part. And it looks like this in the inside. So I guess the light bulb goes in here. And I'm guessing this goes on top of there. So let me try to put it on top of there. So it looks like it fits like this. So I'm just going to tighten this part up so it can stay. There, now it's tight. And so at this I need the light bulb. But I gotta figure out how to open this up. So you open this. Looks like this goes around this. Oh. So you put this around. It's not that easy. It's kind of hard to hold and put around. There you go. Okay, now like that. So can you guys see that? And now you take the light bulb, and I don't have it plugged in yet, so, but the light bulb goes in there, and you just screw it. And so now it's screwed in, and now it's in. So there's my new light. So I'll just plug it in, and we'll see how it looks. Oh, wait, there's another part. There's a cover part. I forgot about this part here. So I have to take this and put this on the top somehow. Oh, I see. So you just take it, there's some snaps up here. And it look like it just goes around the corners. So you just take it and you put it around the corners. Like this. And snap it in place. And then you take this one and you snap it in place. We'll get the other side. Snap this part in place down here at the bottom. And booyah! We did it! Yay! So, I got it. So now all I have to do is turn it on. But I'm not going to turn it on right towards the camera because I don't want it to get shining right on the camera. I gotta plug it in. Okay, now it's plugged in. And we have this little off and on button here. And you just click it on and voila. And now I have light. Now you guys can't see me either. But that's my little light. And I actually put it together. So I'm going to turn it off. That's how that works. So I'm going to turn it off and set it to the side so you guys can see it back here. But move it out the way. There. So let me adjust the camera really quick. Okay, well, I did my little unboxing of my light that I got from my sweet hubby, which I'm so happy that I've gotten. And now hopefully you will see that my videos are getting better and better. And now all I need is another camera. And if I can get that from him, I have two cameras. One showing me and one showing my work. But I'm thankful to have just this light for now. So if you guys want to know where I got this light from, I will put it in the description box for you guys. A link to where I got it from off of Amazon. I forgot how much it cost. I can't even remember. I think it was like $40-something, maybe $40. But let me know what you guys thought of this unboxing of this video in the comments, and if you would like me to bring you more of these type of videos, because I'm thinking about doing a video where I share my space and show you guys exactly where I do my YouTube videos and where I do my coloring, where I do my YouTube videos, but we're just not at my table. So I wanted to do a video of sharing that with you guys. But for now, I think we'll just wrap it up. And thank you for joining me. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a colorful day. Bye.